What is the name of the animal that can regrow its tail? The answer is option A. Lizard. What is the name of the largest reptile? The answer is option A. Saltwater crocodile. What is the fastest marine animal? The answer is option A. Sailfish. Which animal can fly without wings? The answer is option C. Flying snake. Which of the animal can survive in extreme dehydration? The answer is option C. Tardigrade. Which animal can survive in space? The answer is option B. Tardigrade. What is the name of the mammal that lays eggs? The answer is option A. Platypus. What is the name of the animal that can regrow its limbs? The answer is option C. Axolotl. What is the name of the animal that can change its color? The answer is option A. Chameleon. What is the only mammal that can fly? The answer is option A. Bat.